Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the tech world for a while now, and for good reason: blockchain. You've probably heard the term, maybe in connection with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But what exactly is blockchain technology, and why is it so revolutionary? Let's break it down. At its core, blockchain is a distributed, immutable ledger. Now, that might sound a bit technical, so let's use an analogy. Imagine a traditional ledger, like a big accounting book, where every transaction is recorded. In a traditional system, one person or organization typically holds and controls that book. Blockchain, on the other hand, is like that same ledger, but instead of one person holding it, everyone involved has a copy. And here's the kicker. Every new entry, every new transaction isn't just added to one book. It's added to all the books simultaneously. This is what we mean by distributed. Think of each block as a page in this digital ledger. Each page contains a list of transactions. Once a page is filled and verified, it's then chained to the previous page, creating a continuous, unbroken chain of data. Now, let's talk about immutable. This is a crucial aspect of blockchain. Once a transaction is recorded in a block and that block is added to the chain, it's practically impossible to alter or delete it. Why? Because to change one block, you'd have to change every subsequent block, and you'd need to do that on every single copy of the ledger held by everyone in the network. That would be an enormous, near impossible task, especially with a large network. This immutability and distribution are what give blockchain its incredible security and transparency. Everyone can see the transactions, and no one person or entity can secretly change them. It builds trust without needing a central authority. So, that's the what. Now, let's dive into the why it matters and explore some of the fascinating uses of blockchain technology beyond just cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies. This is where most people encounter blockchain. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless other digital currencies use blockchain as their underlying technology. It allows for secure peer-to-peer transactions without the need for banks or other intermediaries. Supply chain management. Imagine knowing the exact journey of every product you buy, from its raw materials to your doorstep. Blockchain can record every step in a product's supply chain, making it incredibly difficult to counterfeit goods and ensuring transparency in ethical sourcing. Digital identity. Your personal data, your birth certificate, driver's license, medical records could be secured and managed on a blockchain. This would give you more control over who sees your information and prevent identity theft. Voting systems. Blockchain could revolutionize elections by providing a tamper-proof and transparent way to record votes, increasing confidence in the results and reducing fraud. Smart contracts. This is a super exciting application. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Once the conditions are met, the contract automatically executes, eliminating the need for intermediaries like lawyers. For example, if you bet on a sports game, and the conditions are met for your team to win, the smart contract automatically pays out. Healthcare. Securing patient records, sharing medical data between providers with patient consent, and tracking pharmaceutical supplies are all areas where blockchain can enhance security and efficiency. As you can see, blockchain technology is far more than just cryptocurrencies. It's a fundamental shift in how we can record and share information, offering unprecedented levels of security, transparency, and decentralization. We're still in the early stages of its adoption, but the potential for transforming various industries is immense. What do you think about blockchain? Are there any applications that excite you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this explanation helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload.